global climate change. The changing climate may increase the frequency or intensity of natural hazard, resulting in increased infrastructure damage. Climate adaptation engineering involves estimating the risk, cost, and benefit of climate adaptation strategies and assessing at what point in time climate adaptation becomes economically viable. Stochastic methods are used to model infrastructure performance, risk reduction, and effectiveness of adaptation strategies, exposure, and cost. This concept will be illustrated with recent research on risk-based life cycle assessment of climate adaptation strategies for any housing subject to extreme wind event. This will pave the way for more efficient and resilient infrastructure and help future-proof new and exciting infrastructure to a changing climate.
Okay, so next, the effect of climate change towards the construction industry can be divided into 2 points. The first is worksite safety and the second is materials. So our main concern regarding the climate change towards the construction industry is the worksite safety. This is because the sudden changing of weather like rain and flooding can cause a slippery condition which is unsafe for the workers and which can cause extreme harm to the workers. Other than that is the increasing temperatures with the climate change can cause heat stroke, heat exhaustion, or even death. Yes, employers can take cautious steps to protect their employees, but even with protection, the biggest threat still cannot be eliminated fully. So next is from materials side. So with climate change, the materials can be defect easily. This is because we'll look at the materials wise. As we know, a higher temperature will create longer curing time for concrete, which will extend the construction time and increase and skyrockets the project's cost. Economists estimate around 3.8 trillion was waste in the United States construction industry because of bad weather. Other than that, extreme changes in temperature will cause materials such as wood and brick to decay faster. And a research done by CSIRO in 2015 named Climate Impacts on Concrete Infrastructure found that the climate change causes the increase in concentration of carbon dioxide, which will penetrate into concrete, which will cause the concrete to defect easily. This proves that climate change do give negative effects towards construction industry worldwide. Okay, so first, the effect of globalization towards construction industry is greater access to world markets, which will lead to market growth in the construction industry, which will create opportunities such as job opportunities or investment opportunities between nations. So globalization is important because it will remove boundaries between nations to trade in the construction industry, which will create a better world. So next, in the current era with the increasing technologies every year, it eliminates trade difficulties between nations, and it also makes transfer of information much easier between nations. So the effect of globalization towards construction industry, as we can see here, is all positive and will help to elevate the construction industry to a higher level.